I think I'll take my whiskey neat, my coffee black and my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. I'll take my whiskey neat, my coffee black and my bed at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me.
I am Katlego Mugabe, the group leader of Group 33. So how we decided to approach this logistics assignment, we had 4 departments, which is the research department, the reporting department, the interview department, and the video department. So for each department, there was a director who was responsible for ensuring that everything is done in order. I was responsible for the research department, where now we had to research on the challenges that small businesses face in South Africa and the access information that they have.
How's it? My name is Ndando and I was the director for the reporting department. So what we did, there was 3 of us in the reporting department. One person would do the literature review, the next person would focus on the interview, and the last person would focus on the conclusion. So how we navigated the literature review part of the report is we requested each person from the research department to send us their research where we could analyze it and identify the main themes throughout all of their reviews. Next up was the interview report. We were in direct communication with the people who were in the interview department. What the interview department did was decide to interview 2 different businesses and let us, as the reporting department, choose which business we would like to base the report on. The criteria that we used to select which business we would report on is how well the representative, being the manager or the CEO, answered the questions that were provided and how easy it was for us to identify the challenges and to provide solutions for those challenges. The last part of the report is the conclusion, where we had one person to provide a main takeaway from the whole report and reflect on what we had all learned from digital logistics. And that is how we, as the reporting department, navigated the assignment.
My name is Vukona Ngoveni and I was part of the interview department, and today I want to talk about how we selected and prepared the interview. So number 1, my teammates and I, we decided that we're going to focus on small businesses that sell fast food. So the business that we chose, or the small business that we chose, is called Nene's Quarters. So Nene's Quarters is a small business that is situated in Campus Square, Auckland Park, and it's also black owned. So what they basically sell is that they sell quarters. So what their culture or their tradition is to bring Kasi vibe into the city. So number 2, I'm going to talk about ethical consideration. So before we conducted our interview, so we first asked for permission to the person or the manager that we're going to interview. Number 3, I'm going to talk about the interview format. So our interview, or the interview that we conducted, was structured, which means that we're asking questions in order. Number 4, I'm going to talk about data collection. So to take videos and records and everything that we were doing there, we were using our phones.
Hi, my name is Wandeling Kize and I am the director of the video department. So basically what we had to do as the video department was to oversee the recording of videos from the interview and videos from us interacting together as a group. And what we had to do was to basically piece those videos together to form one full video. And another thing that we had to do was work very closely with the other departments, especially the interview department. The role of the interview department was to basically interview the manager or the business owner of the business that we had chosen together as a group. What we had to do as the video department during the process of the interview was to make sure that the interview itself was recorded. From the greeting up until the conclusion of the video, we had to be there to make sure that it was all recorded.